What's up, Cardano holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because my brother, the price will pump up. You can see here 5.81% the price is increased just in all years. You can see here, my friend, the last 1 day chart is on the screen, and definitely everything is going very good now, my friend. So what's happening in upcoming time? Can they will fail us down? Can they will moving upward? Can they will give you a profit? Absolutely, we will, my friends, predicate this coin, and we will tell you, my friend, the latest update and what's going on next, everything with details. So kindly, if you are new to my channel, I have one request for all of you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Definitely, my friend, when a price will moving upwards, so that's all credit goes to holder, because when a holder are starting investing, when a holder are starting holding, so the price will be starting increasing. But if a holder are starting selling, if a holders are not investing, so the price will very badly decrease now, and every coin will not compatible. All market, my friend, is not compatible when holders are starting selling. So kindly, holder, in previous days absolutely all crypto market is not compatible. Every coin were very badly fails down. So therefore, my friends, Cardano will also fails down, and everybody tell me, my friends, to we are going to sell now. What's your opinion? Everything, please details now. So my friends, my prediction, my technical analysis, people are trusting, my friend. Everyone, 13,000 people subscribe this channel, so that's mean, my friends, to they are all trust now, and absolutely they earn a lot of money in crypto. So if you also want to get earn money from crypto, my friend, now subscribe this channel. All right, my friends, come to the point. The Cardano price were fails down, and definitely everybody know this, my friends, to win a coin were fails down. So after a fail, absolutely they will take a huge jump, my friend. The price will fails down from $3 my friends, to 2.29 dollar, and after that, my friend, as you can see here, after that the price will fails down to 2.27 dollar. So that's mean, my friends, the price is day by day fails down. But as you can see here, in last 24 hours, just in only, the price will pumps up. So therefore, I am 100% sure to upcoming time, the last 10 days of every month, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I know to upcoming days they will moving upward. Kindly, holder, if you want to get a profit, now subscribe this channel and please hold now. This is my opinion, please hold. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.